Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or organizing an event and need a professional looking price list quickly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning price list on Canva in under 5 minutes. No design experience needed. Stick around and by the end, you'll have a polished, ready to use price list that looks amazing. Accessing Canva templates. First, open your browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type price list. You'll see a variety of customizable templates from minimalist designs to vibrant, eye-catching styles. Take a moment to browse and find one that matches your brand or event vibe. Choosing and customizing your template. Once you find the template you like, click Customize this template. Now it's time to personalize. Update the item names, prices, and descriptions to fit your offerings. You can also add your logo or any relevant icons to make it feel completely yours. Canva makes it super easy to edit text, so don't worry if you're new to design. Styling your price list. Next, let's make your price list pop. Adjust the fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand style. Use Canva's zoom and alignment tools to make sure everything is perfectly balanced and easy to read. Don't forget to preview your design frequently. This helps you catch any spacing or formatting issues before finalizing. Downloading your price list. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to download it. Canva lets you save your price list in several formats: PDF for printing, or JPG and PNG for sharing online. Choose the format that best suits your needs, hit download, and you're done. And there you have it, a professional, eye-catching price list created in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, actionable design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.